Living your best life: how to make money in a recession. Hello everyone. Today we're discussing an important topic: how to make money in a recession. As we all know, the current economic climate can be uncertain and unstable, and it can be challenging to find ways to earn an income. But don't worry, I'm here to share some tips and tricks with you on how to thrive, even in a recession. Tip 1. Start a side hustle. One of the easiest and quickest ways to make money in a recession is to start a side hustle. This can be anything from offering freelance services, like graphic design or writing, to starting an online business. You can also consider doing odd jobs for people in your community, like yard work or pet sitting. The key is to find something you're passionate about and put your skills to use. Here are the steps to get started. 1. Identify your skills and interests. What are you good at and what do you enjoy doing? This will help you determine what type of side hustle is best for you. 2. Research potential business ideas. Look for gaps in the market and see if there's a need for the services or products you're interested in offering. 3. Create a business plan. Outline your goals, target market, and how you plan to achieve success. 4. Set up your business. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. 5. Build your brand. Develop a unique brand identity that sets you apart from competitors. 6. Market your side hustle. Use social media, advertising, and word of mouth to reach potential customers. 7. Keep track of finances. Make sure to keep accurate records of your income and expenses. 8. Stay organized. Use a calendar or to-do list to keep track of tasks and deadlines. Starting a side hustle can be a lot of work, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your side hustle into a successful business. Tip 2. Get a part-time job. Another way to increase your income is to take on a part-time job. This can be especially useful if your full-time job is at risk of being cut during a recession. You can look for part-time work in industries that tend to be more recession-proof, like healthcare or education. Here are the steps to help you find a part-time job. 1. Determine your availability. Consider the hours you have available to work each week and make a schedule that fits your other commitments. 2. Update your resume. Make sure your resume is up to date and tailored to the type of part-time job you're interested in. 3. Job search. Look for part-time job listings in industries that interest you. 3. Utilize job search websites, company websites, and job fairs. 4. Prepare for interviews. Research the companies you're interested in and practice answering common interview questions. 5. Apply. Submit your resume and cover letter to the companies you're interested in. 5. Follow up with the companies after submitting your application to show your interest. 6. Interview. Attend any interviews you're offered and dress appropriately. 6. Make sure to ask questions and express your enthusiasm for the position. 7. Accept or decline offers. If you receive a job offer, take time to consider the pay, hours, and responsibilities before accepting or declining. 8. Start your new job. Once you've accepted a job offer, make sure to arrive on time for your first day of work and be prepared to work hard and learn. Getting a part-time job can be a competitive process, but with persistence and a positive attitude, you can find a position that fits your needs and goals. Tip 3. Invest in stocks or real estate. If you have some savings, consider investing in stocks or real estate. While there's always a risk involved with investing, this can be a great way to make money in a recession. Make sure to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Here are the steps to get started. 1. Educate yourself. Learn about the basics of investing, the different types of investments available, and the risks and benefits of each. 2. Set investment goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your investments, such as long-term growth or short-term income. 3. Determine your risk tolerance. Consider your financial situation and comfort level with risk. 3. This will help you determine which types of investments are best for you. 4. Open a brokerage account. Choose a reputable brokerage firm and open an investment account. 5. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. 5. Invest in a mix of different types of stocks or real estate properties to reduce risk. 6. Monitor your investments. Keep track of your investments and stay informed about market trends and changes. 7. Consider hiring a financial advisor. If you're not comfortable making investment decisions on your own, consider working with a financial advisor. Investing in stocks or real estate can be a complex process, so it's important to do your research and make informed decisions. Remember, there's always a risk involved with investing, so it's important to only invest money that you can afford to lose. Tip 4. Cut expenses. Finally, it's important to be mindful of your expenses and find ways to cut costs. This can include things like cutting back on eating out, reducing your cable package, or shopping for sales. Every little bit helps, and the more you can save, the more money you'll have to invest in other opportunities. Here are the steps to help you reduce your expenses. 1. Track your spending. Keep a record of all your expenses for a few weeks to get an idea of where your money is going. 2. Make a budget. Create a budget that takes into account your income and all your expenses, including both fixed and variable costs. 3. Identify areas for improvement. Look for areas where you can cut back, such as eating out, entertainment, or transportation costs. 4. Prioritize expenses. Decide which expenses are necessary and which can be reduced or eliminated. 5. Implement cost-saving measures. Start making changes to your spending habits, such as cooking at home instead of eating out, using public transportation instead of driving, and shopping for sales and discounts. 6. Review and adjust your budget regularly. Check in on your spending regularly and make adjustments as needed. 7. Automate your savings. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account to help you save more consistently. Cutting expenses can be a challenge, but with a little effort and discipline, you can free up money in your budget to reach your financial goals. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money in a recession. Whether it's starting a side hustle, getting a part-time job, investing in stocks or real estate, or cutting expenses, there are options out there for everyone. Just remember to be smart, stay focused, and stay positive, and you'll be on your way to financial stability. Thanks for watching. If you have any other tips on how to make money in a recession, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.